Can someone use Notion without an account? Imagine you're sitting down at your desk, ready to start a new project. You need a place to organize your thoughts, collaborate with others, and keep track of your progress. Hook. But what if you don't want to commit to an account? Can you still use Notion? Let's find out. Notion has become a popular productivity tool for many reasons. Its flexibility, customization options, and powerful features make it a great choice for individuals and teams alike. But one question that often arises is, can you use Notion without creating an account? Answering the question, the short answer is yes, you can use Notion without an account. However, there are some limitations. Guest access. This is the primary way to use Notion without an account. You can be invited to a workspace by someone who already has an account. As a guest, you can view and edit pages, but you can't create new workspaces or invite others. Limitations. You can't access your guest account from other devices. You may have limited access to certain features, depending on the settings of the workspace. Public pages. Notion allows you to create public pages that anyone can view without an account. This is a great way to share information with a wider audience. Limitations. You can't edit public pages. Public pages are limited in terms of features and customization options. Trial period. If you're not sure about committing to Notion, you can try it out with a free trial. This gives you full access to all of Notion's features for a limited time. Limitations. The trial period is usually short. You may need to provide payment information to sign up for the trial. Weighing the pros and cons. While using Notion without an account has its benefits, it's important to consider the limitations. If you need full access to Notion's features and want to save your work, creating an account is probably the best option. Pros of using Notion without an account. No commitment required. Easy to try out. Can be useful for temporary projects or collaboration. Cons of using Notion without an account. Limited features and functionality. No way to save your work. May require additional steps to access or share content. So, can someone use Notion without an account? The answer is yes, but with some limitations. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to try out Notion or collaborate on a specific project, guest access or public pages might be sufficient. However, if you need full access to Notion's features and want to save your work, creating an account is the best option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Notion, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.